Understanding Bottom Line Is, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, bottom line is. This phrase is commonly used in both formal and informal settings, and understanding it can really enhance your English communication skills. So, let's dive in and discover what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. The phrase, bottom line is often used to introduce the most important part of a discussion, statement, or argument. It's like saying, the most important thing to remember is, or, the key point is. This phrase helps to summarize or emphasize the main point in a clear and concise manner. Interestingly, the term bottom line originates from the world of finance and accounting, where it refers to the final total on a statement, showing profit or loss. Over time, this term has been adopted into everyday language to indicate the most important aspect of a situation or discussion. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in different contexts. 1. In a business meeting, the bottom line is, we need to increase our sales to continue growing. 2. In a personal conversation, the bottom line is, I value our friendship and don't want to argue over small things. 3. In a debate or argument, the bottom line is that everyone deserves equal rights, regardless of their background. When using this phrase, be careful not to overuse it in a single conversation or to introduce trivial points. It's best used for highlighting truly significant points or conclusions. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, bottom line is. Remember, it's a powerful tool in your English language arsenal for emphasizing the most crucial part of your message. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using it like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.